Skincare, look at my skin, glowing. And I can't tell you how important skincare is. And if you are a woman of color, then keep watching this video. In today's video, we're actually going to jump right into it and be talking about skincare routines for Black women. I'm going to women of color. So the first thing I want to talk about is don't be afraid to exfoliate. So I hear people so many times, I mean, like, obviously if you have sensitive skin, find some type of exfoliant. It doesn't even have to be a product that's exfoliating your skin. It can be a spin brush, or you can check out this video that I posted using the e.l.f. exfoliant. It's very gentle on the skin, but you just want to exfoliate. So it's important to, I mean, not even just your face. This is like your whole body. I exfoliate my whole body with scrubs on my skin, and then on my face I'm using a spin brush. And then if I'm not using a spin brush, I'm using some type of exfoliant product. Second thing is, I need to get better at this, but it's one thing that does help. And if you have oily skin like me, then you should try doing this. But you want to wash your face in the shower, and then you want to be able to rinse, or in the shower, out of the shower, and you want to just be able to rinse your skin with cool water to be able to provide that closure for your pores. It'll like shrink your pores and prevent them from clogging, etc. So I know that that can kind of cause a shock to the body using cool water, but it's something that has really helped me make sure that I am doing the face wash at the end, so then I can turn the water to cool once I'm done washing the rest of my body. Don't be afraid to use sunscreen. So I hear so many times, you know, that sunscreen leaves this white cast on the skin, but I'm showing you two skincare products that I've started using recently that I love. One is like an oil, which, like, yes, fear, if you have oily skin, then you're like, ooh, oil. But this one is super lightweight. It doesn't leave your skin super oily, but also, who doesn't want to have the glowy skin at the pool? You know what I'm saying? And then the second one is intended for Black women, but can also be used for other women of color. And the reason why you want to use sunscreen is because the sun can cause so much other damages to the skin, even if we're not getting burnt. You know, I remember one summer I was driving multiple days and I started getting moles on my neck and on my face just from the skin being on that side of my face for so long and the lack of sunscreen. Not saying that moles are a bad thing, but moles can sometimes have underlying health causes, and so moisturize. And the key with moisturizing, you want to do it, but you want to use something that's super lightweight, less like a thick cream and more lightweight. And this is how you're really going to avoid your skin from being super oily. I know you're looking at me right now, you're probably like, well, you're glowing. Yes, because this was intentional. Be sure to head over to Instagram to see this reel of getting like this fresh summer skin pool day makeup look. But the reason why you want to use a moisturizer that's not super oily, because you don't want it to feel super thick on your skin. I like to keep my skin feeling super lightweight. Use a serum. So same with moisturizers, you don't necessarily want something that's super heavy. You want to use a serum that's going to help with dark spots, with anti-aging, something super lightweight. And anytime I use my serum, I find that my skin tightens a little bit more and it helps with the pores in this area. Second, or the last thing, I don't even remember what number we're on, but you don't want to overwash. So I know initially, like, having oily skin, the first thing you think about is washing your face, which, yes, you want to wash your face, but you don't want to overwash. So for me, what I'll do is at the nighttime, after the day has been hitting your face, you know, that sunscreen is also going to act as like a barrier between your skin and everything that's happening in the environment when you're outside, because you'll be surprised how much stuff is like hitting your face all the time. And then, you know, we have the mask now and things like that. So you don't want to, it's natural to want to overwash, but you don't want to overwash. What you want to do is, this really helps me with my oily skin, is at night or whenever you take your shower, that's when you should be really doing the deep clean. And I have a video here showing you my skincare routine, nighttime skin routine, but also let me know if you want me to do an updated skincare routine, because I know it's in the, whenever you take your shower, you want to make sure that's when you're doing your heavy cleaning. And then any other time you want to wash your face, I suggest using micellar water and a cleansing wipe. Now let me tell you, I know that sounds crazy, but I love micellar water, for one. For two, it removes so much of the dirt from your skin that you'd be surprised. It's not super harsh. It does a real good job with controlling the oils on my skin. I'm telling you, don't sleep on it. Another thing that okay, so yes, on the conjuring side, you also want to make sure that you are washing your face morning and night. So if, like I said, whenever you're not doing your heavy wash, you want to either use micellar water or just like water from the sink and splash it on your face, rub it in. And then your toner is also going to be another good way to remove the skin, or remove the dirt from your skin. And then lastly, what has helped me the most, even though I wouldn't necessarily consider my skin to be sensitive, I use sensitive skin products. And what I found is that it's not super harsh. I'm preventing breakouts. It's allowing my skin to breathe because I use less products. And I just found a huge difference when I'm using products that are not for sensitive skin, and then when I'm using products for sensitive skin, and it has really just like worked for me. So in this video we went over the top, I lost track, I don't even know how many top tips that I do in my skin routine that has really developed my skin and made my skin come to life, and that has been life changing. Be sure to leave a comment down below letting us know which part of your skincare routine you look forward to the most. Like I said, be sure to check out this video here and this video showing you the products that I've used in my skin routine and exfoliating your face. Subscribe so you can get more oily skin content. I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.